Hello everyone, my name is Joyitri Majumdar and I am a second year electrical engineering student of Future Institute of Engineering and Management College. Future Institute of Engineering and Management is an institute in Kolkata creating highly trained technical manpower in different disciplines of engineering and technology and professional managers in the field of general management. Today, we, the second year students of Electrical Engineering Department, are going to share our first year's experiences. So, here we go.
I'm Ankona De. I got admitted to this college last year, and obviously, I was quite nervous about my new beginning. The whole year for me was nothing short of a fairy tale, but there are too many other things to cherish. It all started with the induction program, which is a great way to interact with the teachers, the seniors, and other students. The teachers are very much friendly and they're always ready to help us no matter what time it is. The faculty is best as one can ever imagine for. We have many fests like technical, cultural, which were held in our college last year, conducted by the four clubs of our college, which helps us in expanding our skills and build up leadership qualities. Also, the puja occasions are quite authentic. I enjoyed a lot last year, and lastly, I'm thankful for such a great freshman year. Hope to make much more memories in the coming future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shoposhaji Pudatonda. I'm from Future Institute of Engineering and Management. I study in second year and I'm from electrical department. I just really want to say that I'm very thankful about getting into this college. I know the teachers and the infrastructure of the college is pretty good, and the labs are very clean and they are very well maintained, so it's very easy for us to perform in the labs, and the teachers are very helpful. They come up with all the solutions we ask. And I just want to tell that my first year in my college was exactly the way I thought it would be. It was wonderful. They have anti-ragging committee and the seniors are so helpful. The teachers are always up to the mark. They always help us in solving our academics yet personal problems. I just really want to tell that they are very nice, and I think I made the best decision of my life to come to this.
Hi, I'm Shomadip Nath. Got admitted to this college last year only. Joining as a complete loner with no one by my side was not at all an easy task for me. It was a mere kickoff to a new journey for me, but joining FEM kind of changed my life. I always dreamt of practicing studies in well-graded colleges, and yes, FEM let me fulfill my dream, which I am currently living. The teachers, along with seniors from various other departments, are quite friendly, kind and helpful. They always helped us when we needed them. And the puja occasions were quite authentic and dynamic. The teachers' celebrations and other cultural programs as well were lit. Like we danced together, we sang, we ate, we enjoyed, and had unforgettable memories which will always be remembered. So thank you Team Future for such a lovely freshman year. Hope to enjoy a lot in the coming years too. Thank you.
Sanketh Prakash of Electrical Engineering Department second year. Where it comes to the experience of the first year, it's been wonderful journey throughout the year, as all the teachers, seniors and staff members are very cooperative and helpful. Also the quality of education is very good here. There is also complete balance between fun and education.
Astha Kumari, second year student of Electrical Department in Future Institute of Engineering and Management. Let me share you my first year experience in this college. Obviously, first year in college means lots of new situation for me to get used to. College experience was my initial step to finding out my future career. The college infrastructure of my college is very good. All the necessary facilities are available like proper labs, library, canteens, etc. Teaching quality is also very good. Teachers are very supportive and helpful. They help us a lot. They organize orientation program for us to make us feel comfortable. The seniors are very understanding. And lastly, I would like to say, it is proud for me to be a student of Future Institute of Engineering and Management. Thank you.
Hi, myself Chukumar Bhumik, student of Future Institute of Engineering and Management from Electrical Department. I spent only 1 year in this college, but in this short time, I gained lots of experience. I know that it's impossible to share all my experience, but I want to share some of them. From the first day, I realized that our teachers are so much efficient and helpful. They always try to guide us in a proper way and inspire us. Besides that, our college have different types of clubs and they arrange different types of workshops, sports and cultural programs. And we can develop our leadership quality from there. And at last, I want to say thank you to my department and departmental teachers for supporting us continuously. Thank you.
Hello, I am Joyitri and now I am going to share my experiences of first year. In just 1 year, the college has turned out to be my another family. The teachers in our college are extremely helpful and supportive. They help us in everything, starting from clearing all our doubts to preparing for our future life. Along with being good in academics, our college also aims in making their students culturally active by organizing various cultural events, pujas, workshops, etc., which I like the most. In my first year, I have participated in these cultural events and have learned and enjoyed a lot. My first year's experience was really good.
My name is Roman Dashgupta and I've pursued BTech in Electrical Engineering in Future Institute of Engineering and Management. Currently, I am in the second year and I'm going to share with you all guys my 1 year of experience in this college. The first topic I want to cover here is the campus. The infrastructure for college is quite good. The campus here is clean and green. Facilities like Wi-Fi, labs, libraries and canteen is quite good. However, the Wi-Fi facility here is limited to each and every student. The canteen serves food which are affordable and the quantity served is good and it's hygienic. You got sports facilities such as a football ground and a basketball court. The next topic I want to cover here is the faculties, and here is a catch. This college is really strict regarding the academic performance of each and every student. The teachers here are highly qualified and are ready to help you. And even the seniors who are really communicative and they're going to treat you like your younger brother or a sister. One good thing about this college is that they do attend lecturers who are industry experienced and they share their knowledge with us, which helps us to grow. The last thing I want to cover here is the clubs. We got 3 clubs. The first is the Tech Club, Explorica, and the next we got 2 other cultural clubs, that is the Color and Celluloid. These clubs held their respective fairs, that is the Tech Fest, that is the Phoenix, and Flames as well as Celluloid. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shubhadeep Bose. I study at Future Institute of Engineering and Management, and it's been a year since I joined this college. And I've been really enjoying this college because our faculty, our teachers, they're very good to us, they're very generous, they help us, they're very concerned about the students' future. And yeah, I've been enjoying the college really, and it's been a year. And our college does not just encourage students just to study, they also encourage students to do different kind of co-curricular activities, like we have different kind of events, we have different kind of clubs. Those clubs organize events throughout the year, and though this year I was unable to attend most of the events because of the pandemic, but still I've enjoyed some of the events like Holi, then the Vishwakarma Puja, the Teachers' Day, the induction program, and these were the few events that have took place, and I took part in them, and they were very, very interesting, and I really enjoyed those events.
Hi, my name is Samajit Adhikari, and I'm a second year student of FEM, pursuing a BTech degree in Electrical Engineering. Every student who goes to college for the first time thinks how his or her experience is going to be there, and me being a student of this college can proudly say that my experience has been very pleasant. The faculty in this college is really good. They're not only very friendly and helpful regarding your studies, but they also push you to take part in various cultural events that the college organizes every year. And I personally have been a part of few, and I have really fond memories of doing those. Now about the studies. As the core of engineering is to build things, it is very important that the students have the proper knowledge about the machines and equipments used in the industries, and the college does that very well. The labs are filled with numerous equipments, and the faculty just makes it even better for understanding that. Last, I would like to say that I'm only in second year, and I genuinely believe that I have a long way to go, and I have a lot of new things to learn. But one thing that I can proudly say is that this college can provide me with.